This question is from Sarala Mataji. She asked, why Aniketaha? So I think in today's sloka, Krishna mentions this word Aniketaha, having no residence. And Prabhupada mentions that who doesn't care for any residence and who is engaged in devotional service, such a person is very dear to me. So Sarala Mataji asked, like why it is like homeless or not interested in abode, why such a person is dearer to Krishna.
Because that's what is the knowledge. Even in the 13th chapter we are going to study, Krishna is giving us the knowledge that Vivikta Desa Sevitvam Aratigi Jana Samsati. So there is a Krishna is giving in 5 slokas what is knowledge. In that, in one shloka, in 2 lines, Krishna is saying that Vivikta Desa Sevitvam Aratigi Jana Samsati. So that means aspiring to live in a solitary place, detachment from the general mass of people. So in this material world, you know that 999 out of 1000 are after material sense objects. And only 1 in 1000 is actually after Krishna. Manushyanam Sagasresu Kaschit Yatati Siddhaye. So Manushyanam Sagasresu Kaschit. Kaschit means hardly one is endeavoring for perfection. So that way, we have to actually detach ourselves from all this material world completely. We should not be attached to anything in this world. That is a problem. When we are connected with this world, when we are focusing on the day-to-day activity, like daily events, daily things, what's happening in this world and all those things. So we are wasting our time. We need to spend that time only to connect with Krishna only. So that way, so not caring for residence means, of course, we need a place to live. So the basic needs have to be fulfilled. We need food to eat, place to live, so all these things we don't care means Krishna cares. So we don't care. That is the main thing. We don't care means we are not worried. That's what Niryoga Kshema. The literal meaning of Niryoga Kshema so means not caring for residence, not caring for anything, not caring for thinking about our future or anything. That means fully depending on Krishna. Completely believing in Krishna, fully depending on Krishna and doing everything for Krishna, knowing very well that Krishna is there and Krishna will take care of us. So that way we are not worried. We don't worry. We don't worry about whether I will lose my job or not, whether I will be able to live longer or not. Nothing. We are not going to worry about anything. We are only focusing only on serving Krishna. So then Krishna gives us the residence, Krishna gives us everything. So that way we should be happy. So that's what Krishna is teaching here. You don't worry about anything. Yoga Kshema Mahamyakam. So I bring what you need. So I will take care of you. I bring what you need. That's what Krishna is teaching. So a devotee is not going to care about all these things. A devotee is not worried about anything in this material realm. He is fully dependent on Krishna completely in all circumstances. You understand that, Mataji?
But this is misleading, Guruji. People will take it that means we should not bother about having a house or something which is basic necessity, like what you said, food, clothing, and house. All these 3 are basic necessities. So this is misleading, I felt. And the other one also I didn't understand. Santushto yena kena chitu means what, Guruji? Santushto yena kena chitu.
Be happy with whatever you get it. That's what in the 4th chapter we studied that Yadircha Labha Santushto. Yadircha Labha Santushto means one who is happy with whatever he gets on its own account. So not going after things. So I wanted this, I didn't get this, so I'm not happy now. We should not be saying.
To be content.
So, yeah, be content. That's correct. So that's what Santushto Yena Kanachit. It's exactly very similar to what we studied in the 4th chapter. I think sloka number 20 or 21, Krishna is teaching us that Yadircha Labha Santushto Dvandvatito Vimatsarga. Yadircha Labha. So whatever Labha gain we get it, we should be happy. Santushto means satisfied. So that's what Santushto Yena Kanachit.
That is okay, but and this one, Aniketaha is, I think it is.
Aniketaha, Mataji, it is not caring for residence means it's not that Krishna is not asking us to leave everything and go. So Krishna is asking us, see, the main problem here, what happens, people are so much attached. We are thinking that even caring about our body itself, what we are trying to do, everything, we are trying to satisfy the needs of our body only all the time in this world. Without this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, what we are doing, everything is only trying to please our body. Every day, 24/7, we are only trying to do that only. We want more money, we want a big house, we want a nice car, we want this and we want that. We are not satisfied with what we have at all. So that's what Krishna is saying, that Aniketa. Krishna is not saying everybody live out of the house and go to forest or live outside. Not like that. So it's not, the literal meaning is not like that.
Okay.
So who is really not after this so much of attachment to the household things? That is the main thing. So basic needs. Krishna already said that. Already very clearly, Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita that Sarira yatra pichate na prasadayet akarmanaga. After getting this body, we are not going to get anything good without performing our activities. So nahi dega brita sakyam tyaktum karmani asesataka. So when we got this body, we cannot give up the activities completely. We need to act, at least to maintain our body. So that part is very clear. So here Aniketaga Viviktadesa Sevitvam Aratiki Jana Samsati, all these things it says that we are not caring about not only this house, we are not caring about anything in this world. That's what Krishna is asking. You care only about me. That's what Krishna is saying.
Okay.
You think only about me, remember only about me. You don't think about anything, don't worry about anything. That's what Krishna is saying.
Okay, but I felt only if we have this, all these, we are secured. Only then we can think of God. If we are very hungry.
Not like that. Not at all. We should be thinking of God, knowing that He will give us everything. We don't have to think that I need to have a very nice house. I need to have all the facilities. Then only I can remember Krishna. I can chant Hare Krishna. Means that's not going to work out.
No, Guruji. I'm not talking like that. I feel that we'll be always worried about the things which we need for the basic necessities, and that is how we won't have time to devote on Krishna. So that is why I feel these things should be there. This is our basic. These things we should be there, and we should have a secured life. Only then we can wholeheartedly start devote to the God.
There only there is a problem. We need to wholeheartedly depend on Krishna, whether we have this or not, because we know that Krishna will take care of us. Krishna will give us. That is the main thing. Everything is given by Krishna. That is the main thing.
Yes, that is true. That is true. Yeah.
We really don't have to worry. We don't have to worry about our future. We don't have to worry about anything. So Krishna is there. When Krishna is there, let us leave everything to Krishna. So that way, Krishna will take care of us, Mataji. That's the main thing. We are not going to leave anything. We are not going to throw away anything. So we will get it. Krishna is going to give it to us. That's why Krishna is saying you are not going to lose anything by taking this Bhagavad Gita knowledge, correct? He is already saying that Neha Vikraman Asusti Pratyavayo Na Vidyade. Nothing is going to be reduced from us.
Yes. And it's again, I do. No, I took the etymology meaning like Aniketaha, Niketaha, Na Aniketaha, Aniketaha, and that is I was saying why homeless. Aniketaha means homeless. Then should we be homeless? I thought maybe he's intending that we have to go out to the forest and meditate.
When Krishna is asking Arjuna, when Krishna is telling Arjuna that Hatova Prapsasi Swargam Jitvava Bhukshasi. When he says like that, how he can say that you leave everything? Arjuna didn't leave everything. Arjuna only Krishna said that if you get killed, you are going to go to Swarga, or if you win, you are going to enjoy this kingdom. That's what Krishna is saying.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, so, now I'm convinced. Yeah. Yes. I took the etymology meaning. That is why I felt I was a little confused. Yes, very nice.
We should not be worrying. That is the main thing, Mother. We should not be worried about anything. Leave everything to Krishna.
Yeah, even in my experience, I feel if we are just meditating or just think of God, all the worries will just vanish away. It'll just go away because we think when we think of Him, we feel we give our responsibilities to Him. We have no responsibilities. So
that's what we should do. That we should do that. Let Him work. Let Him serve. Actually, we are all the time saying that serve Krishna, but really Krishna is actually ready to serve us. So we need to let Krishna to serve us, and we need to simply think about Him. We focus on Him. That's what we need.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Guruji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Hare Krishna.